Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by auditing the last 30 days of Shorts data to see patterns. Focus on watch time and retention percentage. Once done, clear your watch history and pause personalization to isolate changes. Then upload 3 test shorts with distinct hooks, thumbnails, and calls to action so you can compare results. Make sure you tag and title each consistently, except for the hook change, because this lets you measure which element shifts recommendations. Next, optimize the content and signals that the algorithm values. Start with the first 3 seconds. Promise value, add captions, and pick punchy audio to boost early retention. Then standardize upload times and category so the system learns your niche. Include 3 to 5 targeted tags and a clear title. Also drive engagement. Pin a comment that asks one question, prompt viewers to share, and use a single call to action so watch and interaction signals strengthen recommendations. Finally, monitor results for 48 to 72 hours and compare retention curves and traffic sources to decide what worked. Once you identify the best hook and timing, scale by producing 2 to 3 similar shorts while keeping small variations to avoid audience fatigue. If recommendations still lag, troubleshoot. Reset personalization, try different trending audio, or swap the thumbnail. Each change isolates the signal. Remember, iterate quickly, measure, and make only one variable change at a time so you know why it moved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.